Hello everyone, Nandini here from LLRI. Today I'm sharing something that every pharma student needs to hear. AI is transforming the pharmaceutical world faster than ever, be it drug discovery, research writing, or scientific learning. But the problem is, most students don't know which AI tool to use, how to use them, or how to use them responsibly. So in this video, I'll walk you through the 5 most powerful tools that every pharma student must know. Let's begin. AlphaFold, the AI that predicts the protein structures. Let's start with the AlphaFold that is developed by the Google DeepMind. This tool changed the entire scientific world because it can predict the 3D protein structure with extremely high accuracy. Why does this matter to pharma students? Because the proteins are involved in almost every biological process, and understanding their shape helps in designing new drug, finding binding sites, predicting how the molecules interact. So, if you are studying the drug design, pharmacology, biotechnology, or disease mechanism, then AlphaFold is a must-know. Second, Atomwise, the AI for drug discovery and molecule screening. So Atomwise uses the deep learning to screen millions of potential drug molecules and check how they might interact with the target protein. So why is it important? Because it speeds up the early stages of drug discovery, the stage that normally takes years and crores of rupees. So if you want to enter the drug discovery, R&D, preclinical research, or computational chemistry, Atomwise is a must-know. Third is the Perplexity AI, honestly one of the most useful AI tools for students. It works like Google, but it gives you one clear, verified answer instead of showing 100 links. And it always shows the source, so you know where the information came from. For pharma student, you can use the Perplexity to look up drug mechanism, understand the side effect and contraindications, research recent approvals by the FDA or the CDSCO, explore the pharmaceutical market trends, study different topics quickly and accurately. Just go to the perplexity.ai. You don't even need to have an account. Type your question and it shows the answers with the real references. This is excellent for the fast learning and exam preparation. Fourth is the MACG, the ultimate AI for the scientific research and writing. A powerful research platform released in 2025. MACG is becoming extremely popular among the medical, pharma, and the research students because it combines multiple scientific tools in one place. What makes MACG so special? First, it is connected directly to the PubMed database, meaning the literature search becomes effortless. Second, it helps in reviewing the paper, summarizing the studies, and organizing the references. Third, it supports the entire research and writing process in one platform. Fourth, it replaces almost 5 different tools used for research. And the last, it reduces the research and writing time up to 70%. For any student doing a project, thesis, or internship, MACG is a game changer. Fifth is the Claude for Life Sciences, your AI assistant for pharma learning. Claude is already known as one of the smartest AI assistants, but the life sciences version is especially designed for pharma, biotechnology, bioinformatics, clinical research, and drug development. It integrates the scientific tools and database, so you can ask detailed questions like mechanism, pharmacokinetics, drug interactions, clinical trial summaries, and chemical structure insights. It helps the student to understand the concepts faster, write assignment better, and analyze the data more easily. Now, before we end, here are some important guidelines for using the AI responsibly in pharmacy school. First, don't copy the answers blindly. AI is a tool, not a replacement for your learning. Always verify the information. Second, use the AI to understand the concept, not to cheat. Use it to study, not to write your assignment without learning. Third, cross-check the drug or the medical information. Always verify the data from standard textbook, journals, or official guidelines. Fourth, protect the patient's data and ethical boundaries. Never enter the real patient's information into the AI tools. So, these were the 5 AI tools that every pharma student should know about. If you found this useful, make sure you subscribe LLRI for more career tips, learning tools, and future-ready skill for pharma and life sciences. Thanks for watching and keep learning.